So when I was typing up this next story, it was really right around the time when we saw changing in the office and the TikTok ban. And one of the big things that I was interested in was less about TikTok being turned on and off. I'm not a user, but I can appreciate the solution, what it does. I'm very curious as to how much actual revenue they're generating domestically here. And obviously, it's got a huge user base, but more importantly, it's got the usage base, which, if you look at TikTok versus some of their competitors, it's pretty astonishing to see how much people are on TikTok versus Meta, YouTube, etc. It's pretty impressive. But what really struck me is how many of its competitors have gone out and released vertical videos. So, right during, I believe, the inauguration period, you saw X release their vertical solution. Meta is releasing a third party solution to help you edit and publish videos in sort of that vertical fashion. You obviously have YouTube Shorts, and everyone is getting into this game. I mean, even myself and this podcast, I was very interested in how well long form contents, which is, the full length of this podcast and newsletter, perform versus the shorts. And from what little data I can provide from the, few shows that I've done now where I'm capturing what we'll call magic clips of these shorts, the shorts perform exceedingly well, almost 5 to 10x, and in certain situations, 15 to the regular video consumption. And it makes sense, right? They're part of an algorithm. You're just sort of doom scrolling on the weekends. You're sitting at home, sitting at the airport, sitting wherever, and you're just looking for content. And so how do more organizations tap into this type of content? Because video is just so much easier to consume and so much more appealing to consumers than reading something. And it will be just interesting to see from Blue Sky to Meta to X how these organizations continue to take advantage of vertical video. How much can they chip away at TikTok's kind of, dominance on the market, if you will, and what can they do in terms of enhancing or improving on that capability?